Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, looking at some long-term dividend bulls here, CSCO VZ and ABBV. Let's start with CSCO. We have a very healthy uptrend on the daily time frame, higher lows and higher highs. We've held this 50-day moving average support now a half dozen times, testing that level of support. And we can see we were consolidating, seeing the 10-day moving average resistance, tightening range, tighter, bull break. Pretty big pullback, but the bulls held on again, established that support again, and then had some follow through here today. So we need a break of 31.80. That's a little double top on these two highs. And then we're looking up at 31.95 as the high we've seen on this move. Red flag if we lose the 50-day moving average support of 31.04. And a bigger red flag if we lose the low of 30.60, 30.61 that established itself as support and as the higher low in the uptrend. The weekly time frame shows a very bullish uptrend pretty much since the dump in February in 2016, holding that 10-week moving average of 31.07, consolidating for 2 weeks, now trying to turn things around. We want to be aware of the potential bearish MACD cross and also the lack of volume. Well, let's see, we got 3 days left, so I won't speak too soon on that. We'll see how that volume ends up by the end of the week. But the daily time frame is all about that little double top. 31.80 needs to break for the bulls. VZ here on the daily time frame looks like a very long-term downtrend of lower highs and lower lows, but you zoom out to the weekly and see it's actually a long-term uptrend of higher lows and higher highs. There is a bunch of work for the bulls to do, and we have this middle Bollinger Band resistance and the 10-week moving average resistance lining up next to each other, 53.07, 52.89. And we need to get back above those levels to turn this around for the bulls. We can see support is currently established at 51.02 and maintaining those higher lows. But again, we need to get over those moving averages to have a clear sight for the bulls to get back up towards the $56 range. So liking CSCO on its positioning on the daily chart better than VZ because it has a lot of work to do on the daily chart to turn around this lower high up or downtrend. 53.88 would be the level to break to start to turn things around there. And the weekly time frame, all those two resistances, I should say. And last, we've got ABBV, also seeing a significant pullback of consolidation, building the base at the 100-day moving average support of 63.24. Nice strong bounce from that level, breaking this previous lower high at 65.14. We broke that to the upside, got up to 65.33, rejecting from the upper Bollinger Band, bouncing off the middle Bollinger Band support. These are all bullish indications holding key support. Now we just need to wait for these Bollinger Bands to ascend and create room to the upside, as that is where that bounce attempt was rejected. In the weekly time frame shows the bulls are absolutely in control with these higher lows and higher highs, the middle Bollinger Band support, holding the last pullback of consolidation. 63.50 is that level, and we need to get over 65.20 to turn that 10-week back into support, as we have rejected from that 3 times in the past month. So middle Bollinger Band daily resistance on ABBV. I'd have to say I like CSCO the best out of the 3 due to the daily positioning combined with the weekly. And then I like ABBV second and VZ third. Appreciate you watching. Hope you all have a fantastic night.